Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, our discussion will be around artificial intelligence, as Maharashtra will become India's first state to have a dedicated AI policy. So, in this regard, we are going to discuss about the news, its economic importance, what is artificial intelligence, legislative framework for artificial intelligence in India, and what is cybersecurity policy. So, let's begin with the news. Maharashtra's artificial intelligence policy will build upon the framework of India Artificial Intelligence Mission Policy. In addition to the AI initiative, the state government is also drafting a cybersecurity policy 2025. A cybersecurity task force has been established to develop a framework for safeguarding IT infrastructure across government, semi-government, and private sector. The AI policy is expected to focus on the fostering innovation and leveraging AI to contribute significantly to Maharashtra's economy. Now, let's know about the economic importance. AI will play a key role in the growth of India's $600 billion digital economy, with Maharashtra digital economy accounting for estimated rupees 6 lakh crore alone. Now, let's know about what is AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Initially conceived as a technology that could mimic human intelligence, AI has evolved in a way that far exceeds its original conception. With incredible advances made in data collection, processing, and computation power, intelligent systems can now be deployed to take over a variety of tasks, enable connectivity, and enhance productivity. Now, let's have a look on legislative framework for AI in India. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology envisions the India AI program as a mission-centric approach for leveraging transformative technologies to boost inclusion, innovation, and adoption of social impact. India's AI policy aims to promote innovation while balancing risk and opportunity. The policy includes guidelines for responsible AI, a national AI mission, and a Digital India Act. National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence was released in 2018. This strategy outlines guidelines for AI research and development. India AI Mission was launched in 2024 to bolster India's global leadership in AI and democratize the benefits of AI across all strata of society. The Digital India Act 2000 is proposed to replace the Information Technology Act of 2000. The Digital India Act is intended to address the challenges of digital landscape and protect citizens' rights. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023 is India's first data protection law and provides a framework for processing personal data. It applies to AI development and implementation and aims to balance data privacy with technological innovation. Now, let's know about what is cybersecurity policy. Cybersecurity policy will prioritize mitigating cyber threats, securing critical digital assets, and fostering innovation. The policy will involve collaboration between government agencies, industries, academia, and citizens to strengthen the state's digital resilience. India's National Cybersecurity Policy 2013 and National Cybersecurity Strategy 2020 is operational. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with GS Nexus.